Hey guys, this is Danny Baker here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina again with you. Wanted to show you a beautiful boat that we just got in. This is a 2025 23 LX Bennington. This boat is so pretty. It's hard to see outside, but it has a metallic sorrel color here with a flat black. Really just gives it a nice contrast. Very nice integrated lights here in the front with a blackout package. Just gives it a nice look all the way down through here. Come around here, it has a fastback back here. It makes it look nice and sleek. This boat is actually powered with a 250 Mercury V6. Nice quiet motor with plenty of power. You can do water sports, tubing, skiing, anything you want to do on this. Nice lily pad ladder, easy to step up from the water. Come on in the boat and I'll show you what's inside here. We're up here in the boat now. I want to show you the front. I love this. It's got the nice padded seats all the way around, and we've already put the filler cushion in here. So it gives you a nice rounded seat in the front of the bow. Nice cocktail table there as well. Got plenty of storage underneath. This has the new Vivid dash. This has the 3-screen tall touch screens here. Very nice looking and easy to use. Got the dual captain's chairs, and in the back you have the quad benches is back. It's got plenty of storage, plenty of room for people to hang out with a 10-foot bimini top. If you want more information on this boat, please contact us here in Greenville at MarineMax.